Hi. So I just put Isla down for a nap and I was getting ready to make her favorite avocado pops. They're chocolate avocado pops because she has a little bit of a sweet tooth and I'm trying to curb her cookie intake. And I figured it was the best time to make a video and show you how I make them because they're so easy. They take me like 5 minutes and then I throw them in the freezer and it's the easiest recipe. I found it on Pinterest, so I'll share it with you guys. Okay. Fudgesicle avocado pops, so easy. Again, I know I already said that, but she loves them. So I usually do just in a NutriBullet because I don't have a big blender. I have a small New York City kitchen and I can't fit it. So this is perfect and it works great. And then I have avocado and chocolate, a little bit of salt, almond milk because I'm doing them dairy-free, maple syrup, and vanilla. That is it. Okay, step 1. Avocado, obviously. It calls for 2 of them, so just get 2 ripe avocados and put it right in there. Half cup of cocoa powder. Half a cup of maple syrup. 1/4 cup of non-dairy milk, so I like to use almond milk. I think coconut milk will be really good. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's it. Then you just blend it up. No joke. That's how fast. Once it's blended, all you have to do is put it in the popsicle molds and then stick it in the freezer for like 2 hours or something. Not even, it freezes so quickly.